So here we have the Vauxhall Astra 1 litre turbo SRI on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles for this car are 2,297. The information displayed above that can be changed by using controls on the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information, or that digital readout for the speedometer. And above that you can see the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone just there. And then on the left hand side we have both cruise control and speed limiter with forward warning collision or collision warning system just there. There's a video showing how that works on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out, but it's a very clever system. In essence, the car will warn you if you're about to collide with another car in front. It kind of assesses the road in front of you. Over in the middle is where you would pair your phone, amongst other things. So phone just there, and then search for device. When it comes to music in this car, there's plenty of ways to listen to it. We've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair up your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So temperature is adjustable with this dial, fan speed on this one, then the direction of the air here, and simply hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. When that light is on, the air conditioning is on or off. The button next to it will recirculate the air that's currently in the car, which is a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature that you've set. And then below that we've got a few buttons. So starting from the left just here, this car's got stop and start, which means it's designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off by pushing that button. You can put the car in sport mode. That will make the accelerator pedal react quicker to what you do, and the power steering will also be a bit firmer. This one's for lane departure warning system. Again, there's a video showing this working on our website, but basically if the car, if you drift out of your lane, i.e. if you were to fall asleep at the wheel, the car will warn you that you've done that. This turns off the traction control, and this one will turn off the parking sensors for the car. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. And underneath this cap there is a 12-volt charging socket. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.